absolute value of an integer is denoted by this sign. Okay? Absolute value of minus 5 is equal to 5. Absolute value of 0 is equal to 0. Absolute value of 110 is equal to 110. Absolute value of minus 746 is 746. So, what do you understand from this? Absolute value is nothing but the numerical value. ये जो डब्बा के अंदर है ना, उसका numerical value is the answer without the sign. Okay? Sign से कुछ लेना देना नहीं absolute value को. Absolute value is just the numerical value of the number inside the absolute value sign. It can be negative, it can be positive inside, but the answer is always positive. So answer of absolute value is always positive. Absolute value of an integer is its numerical value regardless of its sign. Two opposite integers have the same absolute value. I'll tell you how. Now what is? Let me take two opposite integers. 5 का opposite integer क्या है? Minus 5. Minus 815 का opposite integer क्या है? 815. A का opposite integer क्या है? Minus A. Okay? So answer of two opposite integers is always same. Absolute value of two opposite integers is always same. Now see, absolute value of 5 is 5. Absolute value of minus 5 is again 5 because I don't write the sign of the absolute value. Similarly, minus 15 का 815, 815 का 815. Answer is the same. Negative का और positive का absolute value का answer same है. Minus A is equal to, sorry, A का absolute value is A, minus A का absolute value is A. So, in short, what does the property say? Two opposite integers A and minus A have the same absolute value. Okay? Now we come to exercise 2.1 of your textbook. Okay?